Hi, my name is Johnny Castro. Activity number 1. Planning and inventory. We are going to schedule a day to take the inventory the following week. On inventory day, we're going to have the warehouse organized and the aisles cleared. The next Saturday in the inventory going to have the number of pallets and shelves with merchandise. We are going to organize the merchandise of the shelf. The elevators, manual excavators, and personnel that we have in the warehouse going to available. Label the box and shelves that are in the warehouse. The system inventory going to down to start counting. The auditor going to decide the format to use. After the count, see if there are problems to make. See if there are enough employees and manual excavators. There are possible improvements for the storage of the merchandise. There is appropriate software for inventory. Thank you.